So, in today's video, we'll be making Jason Todd's Red Hood mask. Since I printed this model at 0.3, we're going to have to do quite a bit of sanding. And also, since I printed it in white, you can't tell where it's been sanded. So I'm going to paint it purple. 'Cause purple. Now I'm going to give it a second coat of purple because wasting purple is a very fun thing to do. I do it every day. So, after sanding all the parts, they got covered in quite a bit of dust, so I decided to give them a nice bubble bath. So now all the parts are dry, we can paint them all red. Okay, so now I'm going to be covering up the ear holes with a bit of black fabric. So now I'm going to work on the eyes. So, for the eyes, I'm going to be using some of this one-way mirror film. The same stuff I use for my lenses. So, the mask is almost done. Well, except you can't put it on. So to hold the mask together, I made these things. So to hold the faceplate to the mask, I'm going to be using magnets. So, after 3 weeks, it's finally complete. You can do all the things like look left, look right, look up, look down. I mean, you can even shake your head. Probably one of the coolest parts of the mask is the fact that you can remove the faceplate. Pretty cool, I know. Now, I could spend hours giving it a clear coat, making it look nice and pretty. However, I could also not do that. So I'm going to do that.